Hello guys, today I want to show you my voice assistant. Look, it's here in Excel file. This one. So let's go. Assistant.
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Oh, a moment. Assistant.
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Tell me please what day is today.
Today is Saturday, March the 19th.
Assistant.
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Tell me temperature in Constanța.
It is cold at Constanza this time. Current temperature is 4.38 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature is 4.38 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature is 4.28 degrees Celsius. Temperature feels like minus 0.46 degrees Celsius. The humidity is 45%. Visibility is 3047.85 meters. The sky was a little cloudy.
Thank you. Thank you.
It was a pleasure to help you. If you want something else, just let me know.
Divide 5 by 5.
5 divided to 5 is equal to 1.
Multiply 5 by 5.
5 multiply 5 is equal to 25.
Assistant.
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Search in Wikipedia for who is George Bush. Search on Wikipedia for who is George Bush.
George Walker Bush, born July 6, 1946, is an American politician who served as the 43rd President of the United States from 2001 to 2009. A member of the Bush family and Republican Party. He previously served as the 46th Governor of Texas from 1995 to 2000. While in his 20s, Bush flew warplanes in the Texas Air National Guard. After graduating from Harvard Business School in 1975, he worked in the oil industry.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure to help you. If you want something else, just let me know.
Pesmo, what is the time?
It is 4:05 p.m.
Who are you?
I am an assistant. Your assistant. I am here to make your life easier. You can command me to perform various tasks such as solving mathematical questions or open application.
Open Chrome.
Opening Google Chrome.
Assistant.
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Open Excel.
Opening Microsoft Excel.
Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
Play on YouTube Dr. Dre. Play on YouTube Dr. Dre.
Opening and play Dr. Dre on YouTube.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure to help you. If you want something else, just let me know.
Assistant?
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Search in Google Bucharest. Search on Google Bucharest.
Searching on Google Bucharest on Google.
Assistant?
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Where is Constanța?
This is where Constanța is.
Assistant?
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Where is New York?
This is where New York is.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure to help you. If you want something else, just let me know.
Make a note.
What would you like me to write down?
Hello, my friend.
I have made a note of that.
Empty recycle bin.
Recycle bin emptied.
Assistant?
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Exit. Exit. Thank you for watching.